Chloe, you have a present to Angie, to Tita Angie mo from from Saudi Arabia. Ayan. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Okay, go there and check it.
Before I open this, thank you, Tita Angie. My table. Give me lollipop. This is the best tea I ever had. Give me
Yan,
lollipop.
gusto niya yung yung pitaka, G.
It's for you. Oh, give me lollipop. Give me lollipop.
Okay, hurry up.
Give me
There's a lollipop. Okay.
There's a ribbon, my favorite color.
Yan.
There's a lollipop. There's a lollipop. That's my favorite color. This is a bag. And what is this? Lollipop, my favorite flavor. It's my lolly. And this is a royal lollipop. This is also my dream to have a lollipop like that. Yeah. And it's mine.
Later, they will give you. She will give you. Okay, what are you doing now for Tita Angie? Can you give something special for her?
I'm a dance.
Ay, okay. Take a dance. Go. 1, 2, 3. More, ha? Yung may gumaganon. Sana nilalakasan mo yung sound mo. More.
Isang mararangalag ang Pilipinas. Tignan mo naman ako sa mga mata mo.
Go! Wow, wow!
Tinitigan ko, nilapitan ko.
Okay. Go! Okay na. Okay na. Say something to her also.
Thank you, Tita Angie. I love you.
Okay. Thank you, Angie, sa pagbigay mo ng present sa aking apo. Thank you so much.